until this next time.
I'm gonna turn the music down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Zara. And we're at the car wash right now.
We're about to go through the car wash.
So I just want to record going to the car wash. So
Stop this vlog so I can flip the camera.
you can just go on YouTube, you know.
He is on YouTube. Hey guys, welcome
Here's
to my
some
YouTube channel.
Dunkin' Donuts. Just kidding.
We're about to go through the car wash.
We're at the car wash waiting.
Why is it so close?
So yeah.
Can you see my face?
Yeah. Hey.
Hey guys.
Basically, we're just in the car right now. We're about to go in, but we're just like 1 or 2 cars behind. Almost there. We've been in a car wash in so long.
Oh, I'm vlogging too.
Grandpa, how long have you been in a car wash? When was the last time?
So this is like
Last weekend.
Last weekend?
I haven't went in like a year or 2. So yeah. What you trying to do?
I usually pull it up there, stop and get out.
What did you
And let them do it.
You do that?
I don't know. I was just doing this. Hey guys, sorry. I can't.
So, yeah.
No, he ended the video.
We might not get out though.
So anyways,
But
we're
this
about to
stupid
go.
self.
Okay, be quiet. We're about to go through the car wash. We're going through here first, so we can.
Are we gonna stay in this time? Yes, we're gonna stay in. Can record the windows.
So yeah, I'm just gonna record from the inside.
Almost there.
I want the windows up.
$16. Monthly plan starting at $16. Wash all you want. Save the time. Save time. Save money. Save time. Save money.
Okay,
Monthly plan starting
and that's my
at
sister, and she's vlogging too.
$16, and then over 600,000 members joined today. What I was reading. So slime, and we're here. Yay, this guy.
What's going on, man? You got it, man.
Good guy, what's on the poster?
You got it, man.
You know, like everybody here.
Well, we about to go to the car.
Alright, guys, so we're in. We're about to go to
Why can't you just
the car
drive into
wash.
it?
We're like in, but we have to go around and go in, so yeah.
My grandpa's getting out the car.
He's getting the
We're
stuff.
about to wipe the car with that. Oh, never mind.
No, like inside or whatever.
so like
It's a
that's
squish.
nice.
But almost
That's where
there,
the
so
front right
yeah.
there, and then
We're going.
ooh, those are
Yay, we're going
we're
in.
going in right now.
Hi,
Going to
Spence.
the championship and lose.
Hi,
Huh?
Spence.
What's up, coach?
I didn't.
You get all the way to the championship every day week. One.
That's-
Championship.
That's
That was
my.
the parents that did that, man.
All the parents did that?
Boasting in front of everybody, talking about how we gonna win it all. We gonna win it all next week, and they had it out for them.
No one's even right there.
Spence, Spence,
They
Spence.
couldn't have just let it be.
I had
His name is
$100,000 on
Spence.
this game last championship game. I lost $100,000. I'll let them know that.
All right, man. All right, nephew.
What does he do us?
What is he telling?
That looks like Mom's car.
I know, kind of.
Our mom's car, kind of.
That literally looks like our mom.
Ooh, we're about to go in.
Ooh, look at that, people. Okay,
It's
it's
kinda hard
been
to see though.
3 minutes. I've been vlogging. So look at that. The guy's getting washed. Caw.
He's spraying it
It's soap.
like
Look at the soap in the
water.
No, spray it right here. Spray it right here.
Mm.
Dang, look at that water.
guys, watch this. I have to go through the first trial.
And look at God.
Oh, it's so cool.
Oh, it's coming to my side. It's coming to my side.
Oh,
Oh, it's like I'm drowning in water. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Oh my God.
this is so much fun.
Oh, I
Oh,
thought
the
there's
window.
noodles on my car.
It's noodles. Noodles. I want to just open the window and get the noodles.
I
like,
love this. I would just stand here for
noodles. Oh, another one.
Oh!
Ooh, we're almost done, but I don't want it to be. Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this. It's like
It looks like we're drowning. Even more water is coming up. A big dry hole.
that's a big giant.
My mood right now. I'm actually really cold.
So,
It dries your car.
Big dryers.
That would dry me from my underwear out. Hey, well dry.
we're all fresh. I want to see the car.
Me too.
It's actually really cool.
Those are fresh.
Those are fresh and clean.
Like,
No, like me. I was like, don't get started. Are you trying to get one of these? You trying to get to one of these?
so,
No,
guys,
Oh,
that
you're
was
we're not
it.
doing
That
this.
was the
Nope.
video. I just wanted to record it. Save it for family. And peace.
Peace out.
Ooh, Dunkin' Donuts.
It's cold in here.
I'm getting the deal.
Can you turn that
Dunkin' Donuts.
Can you turn that off?
Turn off like this.
Hi guys, so we are currently going to the store. So get back with you guys later. And the video is here, guys. So don't make sure you subscribe, click that bell. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes, and yeah, bye.
Sorry, how did you make that?